My name is Sierra, Dayton, Ohio. I love doing, work for fellow Ohioans. But I got your message. Obviously, I saw the post yesterday, and I kind of wanted to go over some things with you. So my name is Sierra. I have a digital marketing company called Digi Wrx. Excuse me, and we do all kinds of marketing, SEO, websites, all kinds of websites. Um, Also, a little bit of graphic stuff. So, like 2D, 3D graphics, interactive videos as well, and a few things more. But I wanted to talk about you and your business. So, let's get started. First things first, I did a search on Social Nail Bar. Obviously, it comes up with your information. One concerning thing is this right here. When I type in social nail bar, if I were to put in Ghana, Ohio, you see this what pops up? Polished nail bar. And I was wondering if you had a separate address at one point in time, or how that got like that, because that should not come up at all. You don't want another company coming up for your business. So that means we have to work a little extra harder to get you up there. So when I do search here, I do see, you have your listing claimed, which is a plus. You have um, phone number information there, pictures that you're uploading. You have reviews, which is awesome. One thing you can do is ask for your customers to use keywords that are helping your business, certain keywords that people search for. And we'll go through that as well in a little bit. Um, but that's just to keep that in mind. Now, when I type in nails, Ghana, Ohio, I would like to see you at this top of the list, and which I'm not. When people go to Google, they stop here. It's like, oh, this is the front page, right? Up here, we usually have ads and stuff like that. They also have ads down here, also on the next page. You just never know. If you buy ads, you never know where they're going to be listed. Ads are not showing up on this application because I have them blocked. And once again, if you have them blocked, they're not going to see those at all. So, what we want to do is get you in this section right here, what we call the map pack. And this is where most people click. You type in something like, oh, okay, cool. I don't really have to look any further. This is top listed. I'm going to go there. I'm going to click here. That gets that traffic rolling. That gets people looking at your business. People just giving that attention to you. Now, one thing, these two businesses are at the top of the list. They have like a Wix website, no specific actual domain name. This one is a business site as well, no actual domain name. So both of these companies are kind of getting feeds from major companies. That's getting those views here, which kind of sucks for everybody else. But Shiny Nails, on the other hand, I saw their website. They are listed right here. They're also listed on what we call the organic section. So you have the map pack and then you have the organic section that automatically pops up. Their first page, they're right there. Like, oh, well, let me go ahead and click here. So, I look at their page. Here's their page. They have basic information, but they do have certain keywords. Definitely clean page. But if you need a website, I can do better. But I'm going to go over here real quick so you can kind of show what you're working with. Citations, that's one thing that you're going to need to get out there. That's pretty much your name, number, and location of your business. And you are listed in 8 places, multiple on Facebook, Yelp, and Yahoo. My apologies. That's it. So we definitely have to get those up there. And as you can see, these are giving you some strength, which is a good thing. And I'll show that in just a second. Now, if I go search for Shiny Nails, they have 39 citations. And that's where we want to go compete and keep moving. So as you see all these places they have, that's where we want to get you at as well. And more. So we look at different companies where they're at and we just put you there and more. So as you see, their DA right here on the side, that's the numbers. So Eris is a thing I use, a place I use, a place I use to get metrics and stuff like that to kind of see where places are listed at. Not always 100% accurate. It's definitely like 90 something percent, but Google Analytics is always 100%. Just keep that in mind. So as you see here, this number here, the lower they're listed, the higher ranking they are. So right now, it's actually not bad. Ranking wise, we can definitely get you to where you need to be with no problems. Um, UR is pretty much showing like the strength of the website. DR showing how trustworthy the website is. So when I go here, they're showing all this information, high ranking stuff. We got to look at all that. Also, referring domains. They have 13 referring domains, which is giving them 36 backlinks. So that means their site is listed in other places. That's giving them a positive reaction. Squarespace is probably where they did their website and stuff like that as well. Ours Bunch, Best Pros in Town. These are all random places, and we can get you in there as well. All we basically need is a little description of the business name, information, and I throw it out there. I have a system that I use to slowly give links and backlinks out there for our customers. And keywords. This is that rich content keyword that people search for. And we're going to go through that real quick. They have 483 keywords, and you see their organic traffic there. So, as far as shiny nails, they get 1,100 searches a month. And there's ways we can use content to put that in our favor. All nails are shiny, obviously, but there's ways we can put that in there. Nail salons, Gun, Ohio, 300 searches a month. You keep going. Dip nails near me, 1,700 searches a month. That is crazy. So, in putting that keyword in your site, within the content strategy, even on pictures, there's ways to put your pictures in there using alt text to pull those keywords that Google will pull and keep you at number one. Um, M nails, and that's probably a typo that people do often from being on their phone, but it's a typo that's worth it because that's going to bring you that 200 extra customers. Nail shops, 300. Powder dip nails near me, 500. I mean, it just keeps going on and on and on. Misspelled on the nails still works. We can still use that within like a photo description or something that's not going to be seen right there. So there's many steps, but your first step is definitely going to be getting a website. Once you have that website established, that's going to start gaining that traffic, that organic traffic. Um, I can definitely write up a proposal if you would like. I'm hoping this helped. I'm hoping it wasn't too long or drawn out. But if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.